Good morning students. Today we will do part 2 of poem that's Birdie Will You Patch. In next part, here the child is saying, "Oh birdie, birdie, will you patch diamond stones and amber and jet? We will string on a necklace fair and fine to please this pretty bird of mine." Now what the child is offering to bird that please will you pet for me? I will provide you what? Diamond stones and amber. Amber means, now look at this picture, this brown stone. Clear? Like jewelers are using now, like diamonds are there, in the same way amber is also a very precious brown stone. Clear? And jet means we will fly high and we will string on a necklace fair and fine. Now look at the picture, how beautiful this necklace is, to please this pretty bird of mine, so that I can please you, I can make you happy, I will decorate you with this necklace. So now the child is offering diamond stones, amber, and with these stones and amber, what will they do? They will make a necklace for what? To please that pretty bird. After this, now we will do poetic devices also. First of all is repetition. What is repetition means? Whenever words or phrases are repeated in literary work, we are doing a poem now. So whenever the words are going to repeat, like birdie, birdie, so it is called what? Repetition. Now next is away, away. Complete birdie is the word and birdie is again word. Whenever the whole word is going to repeat, that is called repetition. And the next one is alliteration. What is the meaning of alliteration? The repetition of a consonant sound at the start of two or more consecutive words. Repetition means the whole word is going to repeat, but the alliteration means the repetition of a consonant sound. Now look at example over here, and amber, far and fine. Now and may a, amber may a. Again a sound is here. In next, far and fine, f and f. And ivory may a, and in this way, whenever the consonant sound is going to repeat, that is called alliteration. Clear? These are called literary device, and these devices are used in this poem. Now what bird said ki whenever girl offered na ki I will give you diamond stones and necklace, all these. Now what bird said? Oh, thanks for diamond and thanks for jet, but here is something daintier yet. What the bird is saying now? Ki thank you. Whenever someone offer you to give you bribe na, तो आप क्या बोलते हो? Thank you. तो what is the meaning of daintier over here? It means sweeter. ठीक है ना? Here is something sweeter yet. मतलब मेरे पास इससे और भी अच्छा कुछ है. A feathered necklace round and round. Now the birds are God gifted. Those who are having soft feather, है ना? And those are around their neck. Now look at this bird. How beautiful this bird is looking. That I wouldn't sell for 1,000 pounds. Now what the bird is saying कि whatever necklace I am having now, that I wouldn't sell for 1,000 pound. मतलब diamonds तो आपके इतने expensive नहीं होंगे और amber भी. जो bird सोच रहा है कि जो उसका natural necklace है जो feathers का बना हुआ है, that is more expensive and the bird will not sell it all. मतलब कुछ भी उसको आप पे कर दो, लेकिन वो जो bird है उसको sell नहीं करेगा. Clear? Next is, now what the child other offers. Oh birdie, birdie, won't you pet? We will buy you a dish of silver fret, a golden cup and an ivory seat, and carpets soft beneath your feet. Now what the child is saying, now again the child is trying to give bribe to that bird कि won't you pet means क्या तुम मेरे pet नहीं बनोगे? हम क्या करेंगे? We will buy you a dish of silver fret means जो सिल्वर का आपने सिल्वर के बर्तन देखे हैं ना, यूटेंसिल्स, कहते हैं नाउ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर आई हैव शोन यू कि वी विल बाय दिस थिंग फॉर यू, कि हम सिल्वर फ्रेट मतलब चांदी के धागे से बने, वी विल बाय दिस काइंड ऑफ डिशेज यूटेंसिल्स फॉर यू. नाउ एंड गोल्डन कप, और कप किस चीज का लेंगे? गोल्ड का. गोल्डन कप लेंगे. एंड एन आइवरी सीट. नाउ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. आइवरी सीट मीन्स कंफर्टेबल सीट. Clear? Ivory means comfortable. Now look at this picture, how comfortable this seat is. And now, and carpet soft beneath you feet. अब जो कारपेट है जो तुम्हारे फीट के नीचे मतलब बहुत सॉफ्ट तुम्हारे फीट के नीचे होंगे, तो आई विल प्रोवाइड यू एवरी काइंड ऑफ कंफर्टेबल एंड लग्जरियस आइटम्स, बट तुम मेरे क्या बन जाओ, पेट बन जाओ. नाउ we will do one more thing, that is rhyming scheme. What is rhyming scheme beta? A rhyming scheme is the pattern of sounds that repeats at the end of line or stanza. Clear? Like pet, jet, fine, mine. Pet, for pet we use a, for jet again same sound is there na, pet and jet. That's why we will use the same consonant a and a. Now next is fine. Now sounds change, it is not matching with jet, so we will write here B. And now mine. Mine is matching with fine. Again we will use here B. Then rhyming scheme for this poem will be A, B, B. Clear? Now look at this stanza also. Pet, fetch, seat, feet. Pet, fret, same sound. Clear? Seat, feet, same sound. So A, B, B. In this way we will give rhyming scheme to a poem. Now rhyming scheme is clear to all of you. It means pattern of sounds that repeats at the end of a line or a stanza. Now what bird is said after this ki whenever the child is offering na ki we will buy you silver fret and all these. Now what bird says, can running water be drunk from gold? Running water. Now look at this picture. Can we put this water in gold? Can we enjoy this water in cup of gold? No. Can a silver dish the forest hold? मतलब जो forest में इतना जो birds हैं जो enjoy करते हैं, जो fruits enjoy करते हैं, क्या वो enjoy वो silver के dish में कर सकते हैं? Now a rocky twig is the finest chair. पहले उसने क्या कहा था, ivory seat है ना, मैंने आपको दिखाई थी comfortable, बट वो क्या कह रहे हैं, rocky twig. Now look at this picture. जो twigs के साथ वो अपने लिए एक seat बनाते हैं, तो क्या a rocky twig is the finest chair, कहते हैं वो सबसे फाइन है हमारे लिए. and the softest path lie through the air. अब air में जो birds कैसे enjoy करते हैं, मतलब उनके कारपेट्स में वो कंफर्टेबल नीचे रहेंगे या एयर में एंजॉय करके वो कंफर्ट अच्छा फील करेंगे. तो कहते हैं एंड द सॉफ्टेस्ट पाथ लाई थ्रू द एयर. नाउ गुड बाय टू माय लेडी फेयर. नाउ आफ्टर दिस कन्वर्सेशन what bird say goodbye to that lady fair ki now I am going, I am happy whatever I am having and God has gifted to me. I don't want any luxurious item, I don't want any kind of comfort, I just want my freedom and natural things what nature has provided to me. That's all we learnt in this poem. Hope all of you understood. Read this, recite this again and try to understand. Bye beta.